Hi everybody, it's Mark, the Family Woodworker. Hey, let's drop the power tools this week and create a very simple, crafty gift for Mom with a handmade flower and her favorite candy. To start, we'll need a small flower pot, some bendable wire or a coat hanger, some wire cutters, some green tissue paper for the flower stem, and another color of tissue paper for the flower. And finally, we'll need some craft spray glue or even a glue stick. And then, of course, we'll need to add some of Mom's favorite candy, enough to fill the pot. Use your cutters or pliers to fold over the ends of the wire to eliminate any sharp ends, and adjust the length of the wire to make your flower as tall or as short as you like. For our green tissue paper, we'll fold the two sheets on the long edge and then use a little spray glue to hold the paper to the bottom of the stem wire. Then it's as simple as rolling up the paper on a slight angle so that it rolls around to cover the stem wire. Then, since stems aren't always smooth and straight, let's twist the paper tightly around the wire, taking some of the thickness out of the rolled up paper. I added a little more glue at the top to hold the paper closed. This length looks pretty good for my flower. For the actual flower, we'll start with 2 sheets of the yellow paper. I'll fold the 2 sheets twice, once along the long edge and again to bring all the cut edges up to the same corner. My flower is going to be a little large, so I measured cut marks for an 8-inch square. Now I have 8 square sheets to work with. I'll stack them up, staggering the edges. Next, I'll fold the stack in half so that I can make a small cut at the bottom center. Poke the stem through the hole. I'll also add a little glue on the stem and on the layers of paper to hold the center of the flower together. Again, you could use a glue stick here. Take some time to separate the layers of paper and twist them a little to form them into the shape of a flower. Almost like creating pom-poms for a homecoming float. And then add Mom's favorite candy and you're done. My wife's favorite is chocolate-covered raisins, and they actually look pretty good as a flower pot soil, too. So hey, this wasn't a woodshop project, but it was a pretty cool project, and it's from the heart. If you'd like to see some more woodcraft or wooden art projects, come on back to our channel. Take care.